Solve the differential equation 3x minus 3y minus 2 dx minus quantity x minus y plus 1 dy equals 0. So what type of differential equation is this? So actually, we can solve this using a substitution because I noticed that here we can factor out first the 3. So if we factor out the 3, in these first two terms, we'll have 3 times x minus y minus 2 dx, then minus x minus y plus 1 dy equals 0. Notice that x minus y is common in both the function multiplied here in dx and dy, right? So we can apply substitution. Let's introduce a new variable. Any variable you want, let's say u. So I'll let u be equal to x minus y. And then you'll get the differential or the derivative. So the differential of u du, differential of x dx minus differential of y dy. And then you must solve for dx or dy in terms of the other. It depends on what you want to solve. I'll try to solve dy. So I'll solve dy in terms of du and dx. So I can transpose this negative dy to the left and transpose this positive du to the right. So we have positive dy is equal to dx minus du. And then we will substitute this x minus y as u, and then this dy in terms of dx and du in the original dE. So when we do that, we will have 3 times x minus y, which is u, minus 2, then dx, just retain dx, copy, minus x minus y, again that's u, plus 1, then this dy we replace with dx minus du equals 0. So we can distribute this negative quantity u plus 1 here. So we'll have 3u minus 2 dx, then minus u plus 1 dx, then negative times negative, positive, u plus 1 du is equal to 0. So we can combine the same differential dx, right? So we just factor out the dx, and then inside the bracket, we add the two functions multiplied by these 2 dx. So the first one is 3u minus 2, then minus u plus 1, plus u plus 1 du is equal to 0. So we just simplify this. We can distribute the negative. So 3u minus 2, then negative u minus 1 dx plus u plus 1 du is equal to 0. So combining similar terms, we can combine 3u minus u, 2u, negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. So you have 2u minus 3 dx plus u plus 1 du is equal to 0. So this differential equation becomes a separable dE, right? So the goal is to have dx multiplied only by function of x alone and du multiplied only by function of y alone. So to do that, we can multiply both sides by what? So to eliminate 2u minus 3 in the dx, we can multiply both sides by 2u minus 3. For u plus 1 du, there's no more problem here because u plus 1 is a function of u, right? We don't need to eliminate. So therefore, what we'll just multiply both sides is 1 over 2u minus 3 to separate the variable. So if we multiply the first term by 1 over 2u minus 3 cancel, we just have dx, then plus u plus 1 du times 1 over 2u minus 3, that's u plus 1 over 2u minus 3 du. Then equal to 1 over 2u minus 3 times 0, 0. And so now that we have separated the variables, we can now integrate both sides. So what is the integral of dx? X plus, what is the integral of u plus 1 over 2u minus 3 du? So this is a rational algebraic expression that is improper because the degree of the numerator is the same as the degree of the denominator, both equal to 1. So we can divide first. Long division, so you divide the numerator, u plus 1, by the denominator, 2u minus 3. So, u divided by 2u, 1/2, right? Then multiply, distribute, 1/2 times 2u, u. 1/2 times negative 3, negative 3/2. Then subtract, u minus u, 0, cancel. So the remainder will be 1 minus the negative 3/2. That's 1 plus 3/2 or 5/2. So therefore, we can rewrite the given integral as the quotient 1/2 plus the remainder 5/2 divided by the same denominator or divisor, 2u minus 3 du. So we can distribute the integral symbol. So we'll have 1/2, put it in front of the integral since it's just a constant, times the integral of du, and then plus, put 5/2 in front because it's a constant. So 5/2 times the integral of 1 over 2u minus 3 du. So what is 1/2 integral of du? 1/2 u plus 5/2 integral of 1 over 2u minus 3. So it will just yield to ln. But there is a coefficient in u. It's not 1. So the shortcut formula, if you have the integral of dx over ax plus b, where the coefficient of x is a not equal to 1, so the shortcut formula is 1 over a ln of ax plus b plus c. So the value of a here is 2, the coefficient of u. So therefore, its integral is 1 over a, which is 2, and then the ln of the same denominator, 2u minus 3. So simplifying, we'll have 1/2 u plus 5/2 times 1/2, 5/4 ln of 2u minus 3. And then we combine with the first integral, just bring it down. We'll have x plus 1/2 u plus 5/4 ln 2u minus 3, then equal to the integral of 0 on the right side, so it's just 0. But instead of writing 0, we just put the constant of integration. Okay. Now, we can substitute back the u in terms of the original variable. Because we use a substitution for u, right? It is equal to x minus y. So we will replace now the u with x minus y. So x plus 1/2 times u, which is x minus y, plus 5/4 ln of 2 times u, again x minus y, minus 3, equal c. So if you want to eliminate the denominator, the 2 and 4, the LCD is 4. We can multiply both sides by 4. So multiply, distribute, 4 times x, sorry, it's 4x plus 4 times 1/2, 2, right? So 2 times quantity x minus y plus 4 times 5/4, cancel the 4. We have 5 ln of, so let's distribute this 2. Multiply 2 times x, 2x, minus 2 times y, 2y, minus 3, equals, excuse me, 4 times c, 4c. So this 4 can be absorbed by the constant of integration. So we can just replace 4c with simply c. So if we continue here, we'll have 4x. 4x plus, distribute the 2. 2 times x, 2x. Then 2 times negative y, negative 2y, plus 5 ln of 2x minus 2y minus 3. 2x minus 2y minus 3. And then the right side will be c. Only because 4 is absorbed by the constant of integration c. Now we can still combine 4x plus 2x, right? What is 4x plus 2x? 6x minus 2y plus 5. Plus 5 ln of 2x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to c. So this is the general solution.